Hi, I'm Diego Vicentin, Senior Consultant at Caterpillar. I'm here today to answer questions you may have about Customer Value Agreements, or CVAs, for bucket GT. Question 1. What is a CVA for bucket GT? Component CVAs are offers tailored to support machine components. The CVA for bucket GT for mining is a component solution designed to help your operation make the most of buckets and GT while keeping costs under control. It includes everything from basic services, such as on-time parts delivery, inventory management, and inspections and wear package advice, to premium services such as GT installation and removal, total bucket rebuilds, and more. Question 2. Why should I sign up for this service? The CVA for bucket GT is tailored to your needs, so you only obtain services that add value to your operation. Our bucket GT CVA is a hassle-free solution for maximized performance and uptime with predictable costs. Your CAT dealer will work with you on a complete solution tailored to match your operations needs. Question 3. Does this CVA cover only CAT equipment? The CVA for bucket GT is a full fleet solution. Should you decide to get a tailored solution, not only can you include your CAT fleet, but also mixed fleet equipment. Thanks for your interest in the bucket GT CVAs for mining. As always, you can work with your CAT dealer to learn more about solutions for your operation.